Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 12 from the playlist of NEET Physics Part 2. The topic is the effective capacitance, and based on this topic I have one question for this session which was asked in the CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test 1999. So in this question we have been given one figure in which few capacitors are connected as shown in this figure, and we have to find the effective capacitance between the point this X and Y. So this figure or this circuit can be redrawn as this is the point Y, this is the point X, this is the point A, this is the point A, so this is the point A here, this is the point B, this is the point C, and this is the point D. So I have redrawn this circuit like this, and here each capacitor has got a capacitance of 6 microfarad. 6 microfarad is the capacitance of each capacitor. So from this figure we can see that this is a balanced Wheatstone bridge, because the capacitance across AB divided by the capacitance across BD is equal to the capacitance across AC divided by the capacitance across CD, and this is equal to 6 by 6. So since this is a balanced Wheatstone bridge, therefore the point B and C, they will be at the same potential. Point B and C will be at the same potential, and because of this 6 microfarad which is connected across B and C will be ineffective. So I can again draw this Wheatstone bridge as, I will be just drawing this figure here. This is the point Y and this is the point X. So this is, since this capacitor which is connected across B and C is ineffective, so this balanced Wheatstone bridge can further be redrawn like this. So this is a 6 microfarad capacitor, this is also a 6 microfarad capacitor, this is also a 6 microfarad capacitor, and 6 microfarad capacitor. Now this is a very simple circuit. Now in this circuit we can see that these two are connected in series and these two are connected in series. So the equivalent capacitance of this capacitor and this capacitor will be, let us say this is the capacitor 1, this is the capacitor 1, this is the capacitor 2, this is the capacitor 3, and this is the capacitor 4. So the equivalent capacitance of 1 and 2 will be equal to 6 into 6 divided by 6 plus 6. This is equal to 3 microfarad. Similarly, the equivalent capacitance of 3 and 4 will be equal to 3 microfarad capacitor. Now, so this and this are in parallel. So the equivalent capacitance of this circuit capacitance will be equal to Here this equivalent capacitance of 1 and 2 and the equivalent capacitance of this 3 and 4 means this 3 and 4 capacitors are in parallel to each other. So since they are parallel to each other, therefore the equivalent capacitance of these two will be equal to 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6 microfarad. So here the correct option will be A, that is the equivalent capacitance of this circuit is equal to 6 microfarad. So the most important thing in this question was the identification of this circuit in the form of a balanced Wheatstone bridge, and thereafter the solution of this question is very easy. So thank you very much again for joining this session. In the next session I will be again coming up with a different type of a question from the topic of capacitance. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.